Storm Team 29 forecast.
The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center will be a cold rain, ice, and sleet, but not until Wednesday night and Thursday. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. First things first, here's your first forecast on this Sunday. It's a gray, gloomy start to the day, a little damp. A few sprinkles have occurred overnight, and first thing this morning, lots of gray, gloomy skies to about midday. Hopefully, we can get some breaks of sunshine later on after, say, 1 p.m. with daytime highs seasonable for this 11th day of December, mostly in the upper 40s and low 50s, especially if we're able to get a few breaks of hazy sunshine. And that clearing trend will continue tonight with colder temperatures, areas of frost by this time tomorrow morning. Waking up to numbers in the mid to upper 30s and low 40s from Orange, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro. NBC 29's live Doppler radar network is showing most areas are rain-free. We've had a couple of sprinkles press on by, especially near and south of I-64 and also over mainly south of the James River, Southside Virginia. So this is where we're seeing a few sprinkles and ground dampening rain showers. It's all part of another weak weather disturbance passing on by. This is the stronger one that I was tracking yesterday morning over the Missouri Valley. As expected, it has pretty much fallen apart, but clouds will linger for a while longer. But look at this back to the west. We are seeing some drier skies, some partial clearing across the heartland, the Midwest. This will give us that clearing trend as we go into especially Monday and Tuesday with cool sunshine. But then our focus goes west on Wednesday and Thursday. Look at this powerhouse of a storm moving into California. The Sierra are getting pounded by some heavy snowfall, gusty winds, beneficial snow and valley rainfall for those folks. Now that storm will head east by the end of the week. Let's track it now on our higher res weather tracker. Lots of clouds this morning through about midday, and there's 2-3 o'clock a few breaks of sun, and then fair skies overnight. Some sunshine returns on Monday. There's Monday morning going back to work and school. You'll need that winter coat though. A few fair weather clouds Monday afternoon, but we are dry through Tuesday and most of Wednesday. There's that coast-to-coast storm, border-to-border, severe weather across the southern plains states, and a blizzard for North and South Dakota. Now for our area, it looks like by Wednesday night, a cold rain arrives for central Virginia, and here's Thursday midday. It's a cold rain east of the Blue Ridge, but look at this over the Blue Ridge and the Shenandoah Valley, northern Virginia. That's a wintry mix of some sleet and freezing rain, followed by a push of colder air just in time to start the first of winter as we head into the following week. Overall, it does look colder as we head into the next week or two before Christmas. On your forecast for today, clouds, hopefully some breaks of sun later on with highs in the upper 40s and low 50s. For tonight, a fair sky with lows just above freezing for most areas. We'll call it low and mid 30s, some frost at daybreak. Your Monday outlook, mostly sunny and seasonably cool, highs of 45 to 50. Here's your 7-day forecast. 40s on Tuesday, dry, lows in the 20s, low 40s and mainly dry during the day on Wednesday. But then on Thursday, we'll watch mostly a soaking rain for central Virginia, a wintry mix for the Blue Ridge Mountains. That would be some ice and sleet before going over to a cold rain. And then we should begin to dry out the weekend before Christmas. And I don't see a snow signature with that storm. It's mostly a cold rain with sleet and ice to the north and west.
I see. Well, I would love for some snow to come to town.
I would
think
too.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's been a while.
And I know there was a really bad snowstorm this time last year, so that's not what I'm saying. I just hope that it comes and then it leaves.
Yeah, an inch or two on the grassy areas would be perfect, right?
Yes, absolutely. Well, Josh,